Hello. So today I have a lot of things to do. It's a very hectic day ahead. So I think I should better get up. So rolling on with the day, I have with me my another cousin brother, Mr. Sanjay Kishore. And अभी हम जा रहे हैं चांदनी चौक जहाँ हम परसों गए थे किसी काम से. And today we have to pick up our order. So now we are going to go Chandni Chowk. Okay, so first time I am taking my car to Chandni Chowk. So let's see how the experience goes. So this is Chandni Chowk. This is why I don't bring my car here. See the situation here. This is purely Chandni Chowk. Okay, so got what we wanted and ये बहुत भारी पकड़ रखा है यार हमने सामान. So now we are hungry and now we are heading towards Gyani Di Hatti to eat chole bhature once again. Okay, so we are carrying way too heavy loads with us. And we cannot just walk 1 kilometer from Fatehpuri to Lal Killa where our car is parked. So that's why we have taken a rickshaw, as you can see. And now we are going to Lal Killa. From there we will just pick up our car and then we'll go back home. बैक इन कार एंड यहाँ पे संजय भाई जी ने अपनी जैकेट उतार दी क्योंकि आज बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है ऑनेस्टली. अब अभी तो है बट रात को फिर आई नो ठंड हो जाएगी. सो नाउ वी आर हेडिंग बैक होम. दिल लगाने के काबिल नहीं है बेवफा तेरा मासूम चेहरा. Okay, so back at home. Now I'm going to go upstairs to get some vitamin D, or should I say धूप सेकने. And then I'm going to try to do some B-roll shots on my terrace and let's see how it goes. So after that B-roll sequence, now I'm heading to Sarojini Nagar. Out there also I have some work. So let's explore Sarojini Nagar now. Alright, done with Sarojini Nagar. Now I'm heading back home. Then I'll be leaving for the playground to play football. It's soccer time. Alright, so now I'm heading to my playground to play football. But as I showed in yesterday's vlog that there is too much traffic in Chanakyapuri area. So instead of my car, I've decided to go on my scooty. So it turned out that nobody's coming to play today, so just did some exercise and now I'm gonna go and get this thing out of the way, the junction of my two eyebrows. It's kind of annoying me, so just getting this out of the way now, and then I'll be getting ready for the big function today, which is my Mama Ji's party for his retirement. Okay, got that out of the way. Now time to get dressed up. Okay, so let me know in the comments how do I look. This is just last minute ideas, and I didn't know what to wear until evening, so I just went through my wardrobe, and whatever I found, I just wore it. So it's just last minute ideas. Let me know in the comments though, how am I looking. And here we have Didi and my Bhanji. महविश हाय बोलो. हाय महविश.
महविश देखो,
आपकी नोज कहाँ है? आपके टीथ कहाँ है? टीथ. आपकी आईज कहाँ है? और आपकी ईयर्स कहाँ है? ईयर्स. ईयर्स ये. Okay, so we are now here at the venue. I am with my brother, my another cousin, Mr. Arvind. और अब as I told you, हम हैं मेरे मामा जी की retirement party में. So I'll show you around, and it's in Hotel Shaurya. Shaurya? हाँ, तो we are in Hotel Shaurya, and I'll show you the venue. And that's my Mama Ji right there. ओके, तो यहाँ पे अभी मैं हूँ अपनी बहन के साथ. दिस इज माई रियल सिस्टर नेहा दीदी. सो इनकी और जो महविश है वो इन्हीं की बेटी है. वैसे तो हमारी भी बेटी है, बट बायोलॉजिकल मदर तो यही है. तो पर्क्स ऑफ हैविंग अ बेबी देख लो. महविश जी ने अभी नेहा दीदी का एक बहुत कीमती ईयरिंग तोड़ा है. सो दीदी इज चेंजिंग राइट नाउ. या नाउ
आपके साथ कुछ लम्हे, कई यादें बतौर इनाम मिले, एक सफर पर निकले और तजुर्बे तमाम मिले.
वाह 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 वाह. तो ये जो अभी आपने सुना, ये नेहा दीदी ने स्पेशली मामा जी की जो गिफ्ट लाई है, ये उस पे लिखा है, रिटन बाय मिस नेहा शेखर. Alright, done for the day. Now I'll be going back home, and I'm extremely tired, but right now I'm gonna go, and first I'm going to edit this vlog, and then I'm going to post it. It'll be around 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. in the morning when I'll be posting it. So it was a very long day, so that's why it took a lot of time. But tomorrow I'm just going to post the vlog around 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. in the evening. So sorry for this time, but I'll just try to be on time from this time onwards. So see you guys tomorrow. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. And yeah, consider subscribing and share with your friends if you like the vlog. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.